What's going on, everyone? Eddie Chase here. Just wanted to talk to you guys about ECFX EA, which is our automated Forex trading robot that we have been using since 2020. So we're going almost on 3 years now using ECFX EA. This bot generates about 5 to 20% profits monthly, 100% automated and hands-free. Right now we're currently using it with low risk, and we're also using another bot on here called King Midas EA, which is trading gold. And what we did was we put both EAs together on one account and we called it ECFX EA Platinum. And we found the magic formula as to what we needed to do in order to make it safe and sustainable, because everybody knows that gold is extremely volatile, but with the settings that we are using, it is very safe so far. In fact, after our most recent update in March of 2022, for the past 3 months, we have only gotten into a -10 to -13% drawdown with the new low risk updated settings. And that is very important, guys, because a lot of these EA creators or people that show you MyFxbooks and their performances, they're only showing you maybe 1 month, 2 months tops. And the reason why they do this is because it's not sustainable. It doesn't sustain over a long period of time. Now, this doesn't mean that all EAs or other bots out there are scams. It could just simply mean that the EA creator maybe does not have a lot of experience and their bot is just performing excellent during that 1 month or that second month that they are testing it live. So they get very excited and they think that it's awesome. But at the end of the day, I can tell you guys right now from experience, guys, I've been doing this for over 3 years. The best EAs are the ones that are stress test for years. And remember that any bot can have an awesome month, but the key here is longevity. You want to make sure that your EA or your bot is safe, profitable, and sustainable. So without further ado, let's get into ECFX EA. I want to show you guys exactly what ECFX EA has been doing since the very beginning in 2020, almost 3 years ago. I want to show you guys real stats, real numbers, real performance reports, and I want to show you guys how we have been updating for so many years and always trying to make it the most safest, the most profitable, and sustainable Forex bot out there today. Alright, so in the very beginning, we started in 2020 of October with ECFX EA V1 version 1. Since then, we have updated throughout the years already several different times. We're currently on version 3. But just want to go back and show you guys the performance reports. So you see here that this was a real account right here on Hugo's Way, which is MT4. 1 to 500 leverage, track record verified, trading privileges verified. You know this is a real account. We had 191% gains, almost 192% gains, very close to 200. If I would have let it keep running, I'm sure I would have hit 200%. The reason why I took it off was because MT4 was outdated and we wanted to move everything over to MT5 because MT5 is a much better platform. But therefore, we stopped running it on here and we continued again from MT5. But look at this, guys, drawdown 53.55%, which was very high for a max drawdown. So we encountered some dangerous waters, which is very good when you're forward testing an EA on a live account, because you want to make sure that it can be stress tested again, like I was saying before, through the worst times possible in the market. Because like I said, guys, anyone can have an EA that can perform excellent during maybe 1 month, maybe 2 months, but it doesn't mean that it can withstand the hands of time. What you really want to find is an EA or a bot that can trade excellent and it can survive even in the worst market conditions. And this is what ECFX EA has been doing ever since the updates that we have been implementing to make it safer, profitable, and sustainable. So as you see here, we had 53% drawdown. We really wanted to avoid this at all costs, so we made it a lot safer. You should always think safety first, and that's the problem, I think, with a lot of new EA creators or people that are fairly new that don't have the experience. They're just looking to be profitable, so they're looking to make 20% gains in a month, some crazy numbers that you never see in sustainable markets, and long and behold, the bot only lasts maybe a month, 2 months, and boom, it just blows your account. We don't want that here. So we implemented low risk settings, we updated it, and we made it better. However, you can see here that we ran this all the way up to 2022, so we were running it for quite some time on a live account, and you can see that we were almost at 200% profit. So fast forward to today, this is ECFX EA Platinum. You can see that we started running the account in August of 2021. We like to make sure that we have several months of data, as much data as possible, to make sure that the new updated settings were the best settings. So it was at this time that we discovered King Midas EA that was trading gold, and at first we were running it solo, but then we discovered a perfect formula to combine them both together on one account, and long and behold, ECFX EA Platinum was born. And then you see we're up 43.53% since we started running this account. This is where we are right now. So I want to show you guys when we started here. We started running the ECFX EA Platinum, and we're always constantly updating, making it safer and better and sustainable in the markets, right? So right now we see that back then when we first started running it, we had a big dip right here and another dip here. So this was a big trade that we got into, and we got into a pretty big drawdown. It wasn't that big because we have only a 19.94% drawdown, which is only less than a 20% drawdown, which is very low for any bot out there. However, we were able to learn from these bad trades in order to update our EA and ensure that this wouldn't happen again. And what we did was we brought it right back to the lab, and we said, let's analyze this and let's make it better. And what we did was we made it better. We released an update, and look at this. You see what happens is little by little it started coming up to the previous highs, and it even surpassed that, and it kept going for a very long period of time. And then over here we see that we had another little drop right here. This was a pretty big basket here that we were in. This was for the GBP CAD pair that we're using. We realized that we needed to bring it back to the lab again, and we did the same thing. And we fixed it and we updated it, made it safer, made it better. And look at what is happening now ever since the update. So little by little it's going up again. The past 2 months have been very rocky in the markets, if you didn't know. Right now today's July 21st, 2022. So if you want to go back and look at the previous months, the whole entire market has been down. So it's a pretty bad market, and we're still sustaining. And that's the most important thing, because any EA or bot can thrive in very easy market conditions. And that's important for you to know, because the importance of what a lot of people don't really realize is that you always want to stress test your EA on the worst possible scenarios, because you want to know, will it sustain a market crash? Will it sustain? Will it be safe? Will it protect my funds? Because at the end of the day, it's great to have 20% profit monthly with high risk EAs that are risking probably 70% drawdowns, 80% drawdowns, maybe even 90% drawdowns. But who wants to put real money into an EA like that, into a high risk EA? Just think, if you put 100K into an EA and you're in 70%, 80% drawdown, you're talking about negative $70,000 or negative $80,000 in drawdown. Are you going to be able to stomach that? I don't think so. So with this EA, we've been running it for almost 3 years now, since 2020, and we have constantly updated it to withstand the hands of time through all market conditions. So now let me show you guys the actual ECFX EA Platinum live account. So with this specific EA, I'm trading GBP USD, GBP CAD pairs, and XAU USD, which is gold, and we're running King Midas on this one. So we're running both EAs combined, 2 different EAs combined, to give you the best possible results and the safest results, so you can achieve these awesome results here on ECFX EA Platinum. But I want to show you guys the history of this account so you guys can see all of the trades and everything on here, right? So you see all the trades are on here. I just clicked all history, and if you go all the way up, it's going to show you all the trades. So you see here that our balance is $3,000, and we made a total of $645.30. So as of right now, this account is up almost 44% profits, and we only had a negative 19% max DD. This account is public and can be tracked on MyFxbook. I'm going to leave the link down in the description below so you guys can check it out for yourself. So now I want to show you guys another account. This is my personal account, but I want to show you guys how long I've been running this account and where I started. This main account that I am using for myself personally, this has been running 100% automated. I never touched this account. This is 100% automated. And let me show you guys now the history of this account. So this was today's profits alone. You can see here that the date was July 21st of 2022, which is today. So we made $313 doing absolutely nothing but running ECFX EA Platinum, which is again both ECFX EA and King Midas EA combined. And I made $313 doing absolutely nothing, guys. This is mind-boggling still to me, and I've been doing this for 3 years. And a lot of people, I guess maybe they're skeptical, they don't believe it, or maybe they've had bad experiences with EAs and other EAs that blew their accounts and stuff like that. And I get it, you know, things happen. Like we even had some issues because during really hard times during the markets, we encountered some really big drawdowns. But what we did was we brought it back to the lab, we updated it and made it safer, because we realized, you know what, it doesn't matter if you're making a bunch of profits. What really matters is that it's safe and sustainable, because what people really want is something that they can put their funds in and leave it for years to compound, and they can grow. And that's exactly what we did. So we made this with the mind of someone who understands that you're not going to get rich quick. You're going to get rich slow, but at the same time sustainable and safe. And that's most important than anything. So now let me show you. If I click all history, you're going to be able to see everything that I made throughout the history of trading with this account. And you see here, this account started a while ago, started in May. So roughly about 3 months of automated trading with this account. And if I scroll down here all the way to the bottom, you're going to be able to see my profits that I have made in this 3 months. Now that I'm here at the bottom, you see that my total profit on this account is $8,510.94. So $8,500 doing absolutely nothing. Still mind-boggling to me, guys. I've had other accounts before, but this specific account is a zero commission account. Therefore, I'm making way more profits because I'm using a zero commission account with our affiliate broker, and you won't pay any commissions when using this account, which means more profits for you. And I will leave a link in the description below in case you want to use this zero commission account with our affiliate broker. It is an A-book broker, and they have MT5 and one of the deepest liquidity pools. So I will leave my link in the description below if you're interested in using this type of account with an excellent A-book broker. But again, guys, $8,500 doing absolutely nothing. How much better can it get? So that's going to be it, guys. I just wanted to share with you guys. This is ECFX EA Platinum, tried and tested to withstand any market condition, safe and profitable. And you can start earning today also with the click of a button. We're running a special promotion right now where we are offering a 7-day free trial by simply using our link that I'm going to leave in the description below as well. Everything is 100% automated. All you have to do is click the link to get started. So again, guys, ECFX EA Platinum is ECFX EA plus King Midas EA combined on one account to give you the best and safest trades that are sustainable and will generate profits for you all around without you having to worry or even look at your account. You can literally look at it at the end of the week or at the end of the month, and you're going to see that your account is going to grow automatically without you having to do anything. You don't even have to be there. You don't need to have a VPS, nothing. All you have to do is click the link in the description below, try our 7-day free trial, connect your account, and you can get started immediately. So that's going to be it for this video. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow me on Telegram for more passive profit income ideas, and I'll catch you on the next one.